Sanibonani guys, please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel bafethu. Yeah. Follow me on TikTok, follow me on Facebook. Sergio Ramos is a free agent bafethu. I think teams should sign Sergio Ramos. Sundowns should sign Sergio Ramos. Sundowns has been signing anything that is light skin lately, and that is from Europe. Angeke ngimangale mangibona uSergio Ramos sekadlala ku-PSL adlalele i-Sundowns. Hey, uKlopp ufikile usayina yonke into nje emuvayo. Yonke into emuvayo ngelilanga nizobona uRic Flair azodlala ku-Sundowns, ubona uBatista sekazodlala ku-Sundowns. Lo mfana ibhola akalazi uyafuna nje ukutshelwa. Ya siyavuma ekinini nemali mara when it comes to bhola, hhayi uMotsepe is better than uMhlobi. Mr. Patrice Motsepe is better than Mhlobi. Mhlobi will sign Sergio Ramos. I'm telling you. Mhlobi doesn't understand it. He's signing anything that Flaming Back is showing him. Danko.